Welcome to the USH How To video for your apartment stove and oven. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly use the stove and oven in your USH Village or East Village apartment. In your apartment, you'll either have a glass top stove like this one, or you'll have a coil top stove like this one. To turn on the burner, you'll utilize these knobs. You'll notice there's a small graphic showing which burner the knob matches to. The dial goes from low to high. It's usually best to start at medium heat and adjust as needed. The burner knobs may be on the top display rather than the front of the oven like previously shown. This dial also goes from low to high. Again, we recommend starting at medium heat. The burner on your stove will glow red when it's turned on. This may take a minute or two. Even after the burner is turned off, it will stay hot for a while. Be cautious when removing pots and pans after turning the burner off. Look for the burner on and hot surface light on your stove. Again, even after the burner is turned off, it will remain hot for a few minutes. The coil stoves also have a burner on light on the display as shown here. Some more quick tips. Be sure that pots and pans are centered on the heating source to evenly heat your cookware and prevent tipping or spilling. Also, be sure to utilize the exhaust fan when cooking. This will help with clearing any steam or smoke and help prevent the smoke detectors from alarming. All stoves have an overhead light as well as an exhaust fan. The buttons to operate these can be found in multiple locations depending on your apartment. The buttons can be located on your microwave display. They could also be located above the stove with a switch for the light and one for the fan. Some apartments located in the East Village have switches on the wall for the light and exhaust. Moving on to the oven. Whether you have a glass or coil top stove, the ovens will operate the same. For ovens with a temperature dial, you'll simply turn it to your desired temperature. Notice the oven heating light turns on. Once the oven reaches temperature, this light turns off. Some ovens have an electronic display and buttons to operate the oven. For these ones, you'll press the bake button and use the arrows to adjust the temperatures. Press the start button and it will begin preheating. Once heated, the oven will beep. A quick reminder, after using either the stovetop or the oven, be sure to turn it off once you finish cooking. Thank you for watching the USH How To video for your apartment stove and oven. If you have any questions about the appliances, you can contact the Clubhouse front desk.